In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify checkout page to improve conversions and deliver a branded shopping experience. So to get started, first of all, I need to log in directly into Shopify and navigate into online store. Just in case you haven't claimed a Shopify account, you have the link down below in the description, and you might be having a huge deal once you are getting started with your very first store. So you're going to sign in, and we are now into the dashboard of the home. Let's focus into the left part and go for online store. Once I clicked in here, you want to focus down this menu bar that says themes. Click into themes, and in the right section you can see that we have now the current theme that we are actually using. Then you want to focus into the one that says current theme. And here, let's go and look out for customized. Inside the customization section, you are now into the area of the Shopify. So to focus now into the checkout tab into the Shopify theme, once you are in here, let's focus into the checkout section. So if I go directly into the upper side that says home page, we can now scroll a little bit down and try to look out for the checkout and new customer account. I clicked in that, and usually here you'll be able to make several customizations to the layout and look of the checkout page. So let's start with your brand and logo. You can upload your logo to the checkout page into the left part. Here have, for example, logo. I can go for changed. You might be seeing here the option that says add image. So I'm going to click into add image, and here you can go for add image and import your own logo. What I can suggest to you is that if you're going to be adding a logo, try to add a logo that has a PNG file and no background. This way, it will only be uploading the logo with no background, and the resolution is going to be looking good. So if you want to make this bigger, smaller, that's totally up to you. You can change the alignment if this one is appearing to the left part of the page, into the right side, into the center. That's totally up to you. Let's try it out with the right side. Logo position. You have the checkout form, order summary, and full width. This is how it actually going to be looking, my order summary. So the logo position, I'm going to be putting this into the order summary. And the background number 1, you can add images to customize your background of the checkout. There's 2 different backgrounds you can add, change the typography and the checkout layout. Let's click here into the background image, add image, and add one image that I already have into my library. Once I uploaded my background image, it should be looking like this. Now, as you can see, we have 2 different background images because here we have the left side and the right side. Now, in this case, I believe that this background image is not working a lot for me because I cannot see the text elements. So if you want to add an image, try to make sure that there's an actual contrast of what you are actually uploading. For example, let's say that I upload this image and I have dark text font. So people are going to be able now to check out what they're going to be filling in. In the background number 2, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Let's go for upload, image cover theme, continue, and I'm going to change the background color. There we go. Now, lastly here, my buttons should be black. And instead of transparent, let's go for white. There we go. Now here I have the headings. The headings, let's try to change my headings to something a little bit different, just to see what is the actual difference between what we have so far and what we have now. So from body, let's go and click here. I'm going to scroll a little bit down until I found this one. Click on it and check out the layout of how it actually looks into the 3-page checkout or into the 1-page checkout layout. In my case, I think it'll stick around with a 1-page because it's much more faster and easier for the customer to put everything in just 1 page and go for save. Now let's click into this 3 dots and go for view, just in case you wanted to make sure everything looks correctly. Now you can add a message like the secure checkout. You can include the trust badges under the order summary, but in my case, we can also, of course, consider adding messenger displaying trusted payment icons like the SSL or the credit logos to build some more confidence. So we can edit the checkout if you wanted to, but in my case, actually, it does look well. So I can go back. Here I can go into my checkout section. And if I focus now into my settings, the last thing that I can do now is to either use the address auto completion or don't. Let's enable this and let's click now into save. Once you have now successfully been done, you are now ready to hit now into published. For an even quicker checkout experience, you can make sure that to enable the express checkout option like the PayPal, you can add Apple Pay, or you can add Google Pay. These methods allow your customer to check out with just a few clicks, speeding up the actual process. So once your customization is done, once I have previewed it, once I have now put this live, I can just go back and hit now into exit. And just in case you wanted to go back till the last part of your store, of your theme, you wanted to go into online store. Focus into themes. And inside into themes, you can see that we have this custom copy. Before you make any changes, I can totally suggest you to go here for 3 dots and duplicate it. Once you have clicked now into duplicate it, you might be seeing that you have now 2 versions. The one that you currently have and the other copy that we have here. This is the one that we are going to be editing. So just in case you wanted to go back to the first customization page that you currently have, or you wanted to make some changes, you wanted to discard stuff, you can go back into the theme library and publish it. And there you have it, guys. That is how we can actually customize your Shopify checkout page to create a more professional and seamless experience for your customers. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.